Learn how to make perfect cupcakes from a boxed cake mix. Boxed cake mixes are easy to make if you are short on time, and using a few extra ingredients that you most likely already have, it will taste like cupcakes from a bakery. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl of a hand or stand mixer, add 4 room temperature eggs, 1/3 of a cup of melted and slightly cooled butter, and 1 cup of milk. Using the whisk attachment, whisk until the ingredients are combined. If you would like to add more flavors to the cupcakes, add different extracts or coffee if you are making chocolate cupcakes. Add any flavor of boxed cake mix. Continue whisking the ingredients on a medium speed for 2 minutes. Make sure to not overmix the batter, since overmixing will cause the cupcakes to be dense and you will not end up with light cupcakes. Fill the muffin cups with liners. Some decorative liners lose their colors when baking, which is why I like to stick to the classic white liners, foil liners, or greaseproof liners. Use an ice cream scoop with a lever to fill the liners with batter. If you do not have an ice cream scoop or one with a lever, use about 3 tablespoons of batter to fill the liner. Using an ice cream scoop with a lever helps to avoid getting the batter on the sides of the liners or all over the pan, and will help result in evenly sized cupcakes. Follow the directions on the boxed cake mix to bake the cupcakes, baking both pans on the same rack. You will know when the cupcakes are finished when the tops of the cupcakes are not cakey and glistening anymore and a toothpick comes out clean. Transfer the cupcakes to a cooling rack, and once cooled, decorate the cupcakes with your favorite frosting. Check out easy frosting recipes in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.